Are you craving the perfect batch of crispy, golden French fries without the guilt of deep frying? Look no further. The best air fryers for French fries combine convenience, health benefits, and top-notch performance to deliver restaurant-quality fries right at home. But what exactly sets these air fryers apart? Is it the rapid air circulation technology that ensures even cooking, or the customizable temperature settings that let you achieve the ideal level of crispiness? When shopping for an air fryer specifically for French fries, look for features like powerful wattage for faster cooking times, non-stick baskets for hassle-free food release, and user-friendly controls for precision cooking. Regardless of your preference, make sure to follow our links for the best deals. Let's check some air fryers out now. Number 5. Cosori Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6 Best Budget Air Fryer for French Fries. The Cosori Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6 is a fantastic budget option for making French fries. This air fryer offers 9-in-1 functionality, letting you air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more, all in one device. It's perfect for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. What sets it apart is the 5-speed airflow system, which ensures that your fries cook evenly. No more worrying about some fries being burnt while others are undercooked. Every batch comes out just right. Speed is another big plus. The TurboBlaze cooks up to 46% faster than older models, so you can get dinner on the table quicker. It's great for busy families who need to make meals in a hurry. Despite its budget-friendly price, this air fryer boasts a generous 6-quart capacity. You can easily cook for a family or prepare snacks for a small gathering. The non-stick basket makes cleanup a breeze, and it's dishwasher safe, saving you even more time. One of the best features is the health factor. With up to 95% less oil used compared to traditional frying, you can enjoy crisp fries without the extra calories. It's a win-win for taste and health. Noise levels are also kept low thanks to the snail shell reflector design. You can cook without the loud humming that often comes with other appliances. Number 4. Ninja SP101 Best Multi-Function Air Fryer for French Fries. The Ninja SP101 is a top pick for anyone looking for a multi-function air fryer that excels at making French fries. This versatile appliance is designed to do much more than just fry, making it a smart addition to your kitchen. One of the best features is the digital crisp control technology. This ensures precise temperature, heat, and airflow, so your fries come out perfectly crispy every time. No guesswork needed. With 8-in-1 functionality, this 1800-watt machine can air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, bagel, dehydrate, and keep food warm. This means you can handle a variety of cooking tasks with just one appliance, saving space and simplifying meal prep. Health-conscious users will appreciate the air fry function, which cuts fat by up to 75% compared to traditional deep frying. You can enjoy crispy fries without the guilt. The Ninja SP101 also cooks faster than a traditional oven, with a 60-second preheat time and the ability to have a full meal ready in about 20 minutes. This is perfect for busy nights when you need dinner on the table quickly. Despite its compact design, it has a large capacity, fitting a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts. When not in use, it flips up and away to save counter space. The toast darkness selector is another handy feature, letting you get your toast and bagels just the way you like them. Number 3. Typhur Dome AF03 Best Premium Air Fryer for French Fries. The Typhur Dome AF03 stands out as the best premium air fryer for French fries, and it's a smart investment for fry enthusiasts. This model is 30% faster than traditional air fryers, so you can whip up crispy fries in no time. Perfect for busy weeknights. One of its best features is its whisper-quiet operation. Running at just 55 decibels, it's quieter than most kitchen appliances, making it great for households where noise can be an issue. The self-cleaning mode is a real game changer. If you dread cleaning your air fryer, the Typhur Dome's automated cleaning cycle will save you time and effort. Just activate it via the app, and in about 2 hours the fryer is spotless. This fryer also boasts a smart design with 10 preset cooking modes. Whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or cookies, the Typhur Dome has a setting for it. Plus, the Typhur app lets you monitor and tweak your cooking from your phone, and it comes loaded with over 50 recipes to try. Another highlight is the non-stick ceramic basket. It ensures that your fries won't stick, making both cooking and cleanup easy. This feature, often missing in cheaper models, adds to the overall convenience. Check the description box below and use our exclusive promo code VALIDCONTENT for 10% off on this top-tier air fryer. Number 2. Breville BOV 900 BSS Pro. Best smart oven air fryer for French fries. The Breville BOV 900 BSS Pro is a standout choice for anyone serious about making great French fries at home. This smart oven isn't just for air frying, it's also equipped for roasting, baking, and even dehydrating, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. What really sets it apart is the Element IQ system, which uses 6 quartz elements to direct heat exactly where it's needed. This means your fries cook evenly without any cold spots, giving you consistent results every time. The digital PID temperature control fine-tunes the cooking environment, ensuring precision. For those who love crispy fries, the super convection technology is a big win. With 2-speed convection fans, it maximizes airflow to deliver that perfect, golden crunch. Plus, it cooks quickly, so you won't be waiting long for your snack. But this oven does more than just French fries. With 13 cooking functions, including options like toast, bagel, broil, bake, and slow cook, it's incredibly adaptable. You can tackle anything from a large turkey to a batch of cookies. The extra large capacity is another plus. It can fit 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or a standard 9x13-inch pan. The interior light lets you check on your food without opening the door, and the LCD display makes navigating all the settings straightforward. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook. Best air fryer for French fries overall. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook is hands down the best air fryer for making French fries. It's not just an air fryer, it also roasts, broils, bakes, reheats, and dehydrates, making it a versatile tool for any kitchen. One standout feature is the ClearCook window with an internal light. This allows you to watch your fries cook without having to open the basket, ensuring they come out perfectly golden and crispy. The Even Crisp technology guarantees that ideal texture, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The progress bar is a helpful addition, showing you exactly where you are in the cooking process and prompting you when it's time to turn or add food. This makes it easy for anyone to use, whether you're a cooking newbie or a seasoned pro. Convenience is key with the one-touch smart programs. These customizable settings let you prepare everything from wings to roasted veggies to cookies with minimal effort. Fast preheating means you can go from frozen to cooked in no time, perfect for those who want their fries quickly. Quiet cooking reduces kitchen noise, and cleanup is straightforward with a non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. And that's all for the best air fryers for French fries. Let us know in the comments. Are you looking for a mini oven or a more classic air fryer? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed our guide, and have a good one.